A pleasant morning to you, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Desiree Galang Ecaldre, 30 years of age, married, and I'm from Nueva Ecija, Philippines. A mother of 3 loving kids, age of 8 years old, 7 years old, and 3 years old. I am college undergraduate taking business management. I have work experience locally. I have experience as a sales clerk, insurance financial advisor, housekeeper, and nanny of 2 kids, age of 7 years old and 6 years old. My duties and responsibilities as a sales clerk is to provide customer needs. As a housekeeper, maintaining the cleanliness of the house. As an insurance financial advisor, provide financial planning to secure future. As a nanny, my duties and responsibilities is to taking care of kids, securing the safety all day long, especially when their parents are at work. I also teach them how to count numbers, reading alphabets, how to identify colors, and do coloring also, how to identify animals, and how to identify days of the week. I do also teach them how to dance and sing and, of course, play with them. I do household chores like vacuuming, mopping floor, and laundry. So, ma'am and sir, please consider my application and allow me to be part of your happy family because I am responsible, I am reliable, I am trustworthy, and hardworking. I will assure you that I will love and I will take of your kids and family as my own. Thank you for your time, ma'am and sir, and have a great day.